Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation. My colleague and I will talk about an important social issue. Before I continue, I would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Lynn and my surname is Comber. I am a third year student attending the University of Goroka. I'm undertaking Bachelor of Arts Education, majoring in history and minoring geography. And my colleague's given name is Rodney and his surname is Paul. He is also a third year student attending the University of Goroka, undertaking Bachelor of Arts Education, majoring history and minoring English. The topic for this presentation is based on divorce and its impact on parents. Our aim is to explain what divorce is, how it affects parents emotionally, socially, financially, and what challenges and benefits it brings. We hope that by the end of this presentation, you will have a clear understanding of this issue.
Let's define divorce. What is divorce? Divorce is the legal ending of a marriage between two people. One couple decide why they cannot live together anymore. They go through a legal process to separate. Divorce does not only end a relationship, it also brings changes in the lives of everyone involved, including children, family members, and especially parents themselves. One of the biggest impacts divorce has on the parents is emotional stress. Parents often feel sadness, anger, guilt, or even shame. They may feel like they have failed their family. Some parents experience loneliness after the separation, especially if they lose daily contact with their children. Mental health problems such as depression or anxiety can also appear after divorce, according to Amato 2010. Divorce can also bring challenges in parenting. When parents separate, they often have to share custody of their children. This means they must learn how to cooperate even if they are no longer living together. Sometimes disagreements about where the children should stay or how they should be raised can cause more conflict. Another effect of divorce on parents is the change in responsibilities. A single parent may suddenly have to take care of many things alone, like cooking, helping with homework, or managing the household. This can feel overwhelming